I cannot believe that day 3 is already done. Wow, we are flying through this information. If you have not yet jumped into the Facebook group to tell me what you're feeling about all this amazing content, you definitely want to do so. Facebook.com/groups/the Systems Lounge. Pop on over there, meet your speakers over there. Many of them are already in that group, answering questions, connecting with you, waiting to touch base with you. Definitely do not miss that opportunity to connect with them. Give me some feedback. Tell me how you're feeling. Tell me what you're learning. I'm super, super excited that you're here. And I cannot believe that we are already finished with day 3. Do not forget, these videos will be live for 24 hours from the time that they went live today. And then you also want to make sure that you are clicking on the links below these videos to reach out to your speakers, to access some of their resources, grab their freebies, and also check out the links that I'm adding that are just additional links from products and services that I've used as I've been building my business. Super, super excited to have you guys here in the 2018 Premier International Women's Business Systems Virtual Summit, and we will see you in the summit. Bye, everyone.